Which hormone is likely responsible for stimulating growth at the tip of a plant coleoptile? Auxins are plant hormones produced at the tips of stems and roots that promote cell elongation and apical dominance. They play a crucial role in phototropism by migrating to the shaded side of the coleoptile to stimulate growth. Cytokinins primarily promote cell division and lateral bud growth rather than apical elongation. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone mainly involved in fruit ripening and leaf abscission. Gibberellins are responsible for stem elongation and seed germination but are not the primary hormone for coleoptile tip growth. How can planting trees help reduce the effects of air pollution and global warming? Trees act as natural carbon sinks by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis and storing it in their biomass. By reducing the concentration of this greenhouse gas, reforestation helps mitigate the effects of global warming and improves air quality. Trees release water vapor through transpiration, which actually increases atmospheric moisture and helps regulate local climates. Planting trees does not increase methane, rather, healthy forest soils can sometimes act as methane sinks. Increasing nitrogen in the atmosphere is not a primary function of trees, as the atmosphere is already 78% nitrogen. What role does transpiration play in plant survival, despite its evil aspect? Transpiration creates a suction force called transpirational pull that helps in the upward movement of water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. It also serves as a vital cooling mechanism for the plant, as the evaporation of water from the leaves lowers the plant's internal temperature. Which part of the plant body consists of the stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits? The shoot system is the aerial part of the plant that grows above the ground and develops from the plumule of the embryo. It is responsible for vital functions such as photosynthesis, transport of nutrients, and reproduction through flowers and fruits. Which parts of a plant benefit from the substances found in kelp? Kelp is rich in micronutrients and growth hormones like cytokinins that specifically stimulate the development of reproductive and photosynthetic organs. These substances enhance the overall yield and quality of the plant's harvestable parts, such as its foliage and fruit. What type of substance is applied to plants in foliar feeding? Foliar feeding is a technique where liquid fertilizer is sprayed directly onto the leaves of a plant for rapid nutrient absorption. The nutrients enter the plant through the stomata and the leaf epidermis, providing a quick fix for nutrient deficiencies. Which term describes pea plants that contain both male and female reproductive organs? Aegle marmelos, commonly known as bale or vilvam, is a medicinal plant highly regarded in Ayurveda for its antimicrobial and astringent properties. Its fruit pulp is specifically used to treat gastrointestinal disorders like chronic diarrhea and dysentery. What kind of bacteria breaks down human and animal fecal matter and plant wastes to produce methane? This figure typically compares the wings of different species to illustrate the concepts of homologous or analogous structures in evolutionary biology. While these wings serve the same function of flight, their different anatomical origins highlight the process of convergent evolution. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.